Today we will start our lesson with warming up game, and it will be speaking game. And today we will discuss strange experience. So on this card are written different strange experience. And for example, one of you take a card and read this experience. For example, I went abroad. The task of the others is to ask as many questions as possible. For example, when did you go abroad? Who did you go with? Where? Or maybe what country did you go? And so on. So try to turn on your imagination and to answer. So Denis, we start with you.
I had a big fight with my boss yesterday.
Okay, girls.
Why what did you fight with your boss?
Because I made a mistake in my report.
Okay.
Do you work in this job? No.
Yes, I work in the job.
Do you have any problems with your boss?
Sometimes I have problems with my boss, but he saw me about my mistakes.
Okay. And well, the main question: who won in this fight?
My boss.
Okay, Victoria.
Last year, I started in a Hollywood movie.
So let's imagine that Victoria is a star in Hollywood. She is a star actress. Yeah.
Are you very good actor? Actress. I think I'm very good actress.
Okay.
Where do you study actress professional?
No, I didn't study. I was in I was
I had a competition.
I had a competition, and I like produce, and me.
I was invited. Пригласили, да? I was invited.
Did you meet popular actor or actress? No, I don't meet popular actress.
Okay, so Victoria, what kind of film was it? Was it a comedy, a thriller?
It's comedy.
Okay.
That's all.
Maybe how much money did you get?
How much money did you get in this?
I don't think with you.
Don't tell.
Tell.
Did you like this profession?
Maybe.
Yes, for good money without education. Yes, good. Okay.
I won a lot of money in a national lottery 3 years ago.
How much money do you want? Did you win?
I won $10 billion.
Billion dollars.
Do you win?
Did you win?
Did you win еще?
Did you win again?
Again.
No, it is very a lot of money for me. I didn't need still.
Okay. And how how did you spend this money?
I bought a house in Miami Beach.
Wow.
And I met interesting people. It is business people, and we together have sunbath on beach.
Beach. Wow. Thank you.
During high school, I had a dog that could speak English better than me.
Why did your dog know English better than you?
Because I know English not so bad, but my dog knows English better than me. It looks a lot of films and programs about English and English lesson.
Does your dog teach your English?
Okay. So is the dog your teacher? Do you?
No, my dog isn't teach.
Doesn't
Doesn't
teach.
teach.